I was thinking lately that there is something so alluring when you're visiting a new city. Depends, of course, on the kind of traveler you are. If you are the kind of traveler that would program things in advance and has outlined it already where to go, what to do, and have maybe also booked some visits already, or you're the kind of traveler that just goes with the flow. You go to the place. I mean, the biggest thing you did is just buy a ticket to the place, and after that you go there and you meet people, you ask them what's the best thing to visit, and do everything on the road or with the flow, let's say. So this weekend I'm visiting new French city. It's called Lyon. I'm sure you have heard about it. I've never been there before. I haven't programmed anything, although I was the kind of person that would pick all the locations where to go, where to eat, and so on. So I wanted to share with you my choice of clothes for this weekend, because at the end it doesn't matter really the kind of traveler you are. What's really important is to travel as light as possible, because first of all that means you have more time and energy to spend over visiting the place and meeting new people and experiencing new things like the food or the culture or music, theaters, anything. And the second thing is, when you travel with less clothes, you make sure you pack only the best things you have and the things that make you look better and that make you happier. So yeah, let's go together to check what I'm gonna carry with me for this weekend trip. Let's check the weather first, very important. So tomorrow, Saturday, the meteo forecast is really promising with a maximum 18 and minimum 11. And Sunday, maximum 20 and minimum 9. Oh, I don't experience 10 degrees since months. I don't know what to wear. Actually, maybe I have the best option. Okay, let's go check in my wardrobe the best things I can bring with me this weekend that would cover me for 9 to 20 degrees at the same moment. Probably layering pieces. I don't feel like wearing heavy jackets. Let's see. So I know usually I use the usual backpack, as you have seen in my other videos about weekend trips, but this time I think I'm gonna use this bag because we're going to sleep in a friend's place, so I wouldn't have to carry actually luggage with me, and also we're gonna go there by car. So yeah, I think it's better to have this. Okay, let's see. So what can go with 9 and 20 degrees equally? One dress, okay, pair of jeans. So dress I can wear on Saturday, pair of jeans I can wear today for the trip and on Sunday. What else for the pair of jeans? So I'm thinking having this adorable scarf. I love it. I bought it in Paris and I particularly attached it. Anyways, I'm gonna layer it with some lightweight jacket or like medium season jacket, and in this way I can do the onion thing and dress in function of the weather. This fake leather jacket is one of my developments. It's a garment I made for my previous company. It's a kind of jacket, shirts or jacket. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. Yeah. Okay, jacket is done. What else? Actually, I think it's the best moment to bring one of my Armedanios t-shirts, white and blue. Okay, I take one t-shirt, the blue one. I think it's gonna be super matched with my blue denim. So this is what I will be carrying with me. I'm gonna use this thing here. I bought it for a trip in South America. It was part of set of 3. I got it from Decathlon and I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna use the bigger size. I have 3 pair of underwear, 3 pair of socks, my oversized shirt, which I'm gonna stay there. After I got this little sweater, because I effectively don't know how cold it might be 9 degrees, so just to have option more, I'm gonna carry this one. A beautiful shirt that I developed, by the way, for my previous job. My gorgeous midi-length dress. And yeah, after there, like pants and t-shirt that I probably wear today. No, actually today I'm gonna wear the pants and the shirt. Okay, it has been decided. See, everything goes here. Okay, ready to go. I had the outfit you were seeing. We traveled by car, and to kill carbon emissions we did BlaBlaCar. Saturday started with sightseeing. We visited the Basilique Notre-Dame de Fourvière. Sorry if my pronunciation is not amazing, with amazing stained glass windows. We went to the antique amphitheater. I enjoyed leaving the big city for a weekend. The small bouchon to eat inside, the cute little streets, the unexpected things. The kind of unexpected thing less cool is when my boyfriend tries to take a picture of me and his hand is shaking. Okay, this one is cute actually, we keep it. And so I took him for a great lunch. Yes, Lyonese food is amazing. In description all places I ate in. Lyon is beautiful by night too, but also a bit fresh. I'm happy with my outfit choice. Here I've just added the jacket between the dress and scarf, and it was the best solution. On Sunday we went to Confluence. I love the two guest exhibitions about Antarctic and the photographer Marc Ribot. This one is my favorite, but I wasn't the only one who got inspired. My boyfriend started taking actually better pictures immediately after. Lyon was great, can't wait to go back.